Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to generate a welcome email on the Pixelcut application via the Magic Writer tool. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the Create button down below and tap on the All button in the middle of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and within the Business Tools section you can find the Magic Writer feature, so tap on it. Scroll down to the Welcome Email section and tap on it. Then you should type in your brand's name or your product's name. And then describe the product or the brand. Tap on the Generate button and the welcome email is being generated in the middle of the screen. It will appear in a few seconds, so here you can see it. If you don't like it and you would like to get a new one, tap on the Regenerate button at the bottom of the screen and you will get a completely new welcome email. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.